various places the shape of a circle in our daily life. Clocks are good examples of circle. A 1 rupee coin, wheel, and tires are some examples of circles. Take a bangle and place it on a sheet of paper, and starting from a point, move the pencil along its curved edge. We get a closed curve, and this closed round curve is called the circle. Take a thread and place it along the edge of the circle, starting at a point and ending at the same point. Now, measure the length of this thread. This length is called the circumference of the circle. Take a compass with a pencil slid on it. Draw a circle with the length between the sharp point of the compass and the pencil as 5 cm. We get a perfect circle as shown on the screen. So, we can say that circle is a closed path which is always at a fixed distance from a fixed point. The fixed point O is called the center. The fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. Let us now understand the various terms related to circle. This is a circle with center O. Consider a point P on the circle. Join O and P. The line segment OP is called the radius of the circle. We can draw countless number of radii on a circle. Take one more point R on the circle. Draw a line segment PR passing through O. This line segment is called the diameter of the circle. We can draw countless number of diameters on a circle. Consider a point Q on the circle. Draw a line segment PQ. This line segment is called the chord of the circle. A line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called the chord of a circle. These are all chords of this circle. We can draw countless number of diameters on a circle. And we see that the diameter of a circle is also a chord of the circle. The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Remember these important points. Diameter of a circle is also a chord of the circle. The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. We can draw countless number of radii, diameter, and chords in a circle. Look at this circle. We can see that AB is a chord. AB divides the circle into 2 parts. Each part is called the arc of the circle. An arc is the portion of the boundary of the circle. This is the minor arc and this is the major arc. Symbolically, we represent the arc AB like this. When we draw the longest chord on this circle, we see that it divides the circle in 2 equal parts. Each part is called a semicircle. Circle with different radii and same center is called concentric circles. A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on one side and a pair of radii on the other 2 sides is called a sector of circle. A pie-shaped part of a circle is called the sector. A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc and a chord is called the segment of a circle. The yellow part and the pink part both are the segments of the circle. The yellow part is the minor segment as it is made up of minor arc or the shorter arc and the chord, whereas the pink part is called the major segment as it is made up of major arc or bigger arc and the chord. So, a chord divides a circle into 2 parts, minor segment and major segment. A major segment is formed by the major arc and the chord, whereas a minor segment is formed by a minor arc and the chord. What if this chord passes through the center of the circle? We know that when a chord passes through the center of the circle, then it is called as the diameter of the circle. And a diameter divides a circle into 2 equal halves. Each half is called as semicircle. Let us consider a line outside a circle. Now, when we move this line slowly toward the circle, and stop here, we see that the line touches the circle at just one point. In such a situation, this line is called as the tangent to the circle. If we name the circle and line like this, we say that the line L is tangent to the circle with center O. Now, let us move the line further toward right and stop here. We see